drawing for kids.
Hello friends, today we are going to draw a super cute hot air balloon. And imagine we are taking a fun ride up in the sky. Ready? Let's begin! First draw a big oval shape. This is the balloon that lifts us high in the air, just like a giant floating bubble. Now divide the balloon into long vertical stripes. Each stripes make the balloon look strong enough to carry us on a sky adventure. Inside each stripes, draw thin lines. These lines make our balloon look real, like the ones we see in storybooks. Now draw two ropes coming down and a small basket at the bottom. Let's draw a cute little bunny inside the basket. The bunny is super excited. Its ears are flying in the wind and it's shouting, "Whee! This is fun!" Now draw the birds flying next to the balloon. They look like they are racing with us in the sky. Imagine the birds saying, "Hello, welcome to our sky." Add some fluffy clouds all around. When we ride a hot air balloon, the clouds feel like soft cotton candy, floating right beside us. Friends, don't forget to like the video and watch till the end. The final drawing will surprise you. Now make a bold outline to complete the drawing. A bold outline makes everything neat and perfect, just like a real sky scene. And our hot air balloon drawing is ready. Now it's coloring time. First, I am using green to color the strip on the right side of the balloon. Color it slowly and neatly. Coloring the next stripe with orange. Stay inside the lines and make it smooth. The next stripe will be purple. Fill it nicely from top to bottom. Strip with red. Look how bright it looks. The next stripe is blue. Make long, even strokes while coloring. Strip with yellow. Our balloon is already looking amazing. Next, I am coloring the horizontal stripes with multiple colors. You can choose any colors you like and make it look fun and colorful. Color the basket using green, red, and brown. Coloring the ropes nicely too. Coloring the bunny with skin color. Give it a neat and soft look. coloring the bird with yellow. It looks so cute. Now I am coloring the whole sky with sky blue. Use light strokes to make it look soft and smooth. Finally, I am adding one more bird on the left side and giving it a nice color to match the sky scene. And we are done, friends. Our hot air balloon picture looks colorful and beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun coloring videos. See you next time. Bye bye.